When the winter snow takes you by surprise, instead of this, use this. The Benchmark single-stage cordless snowblower. Great for easily clearing snow from steps, decks, patios, and smaller driveways without worrying about gas, spark plugs, or dealing with a long electric cord. Includes a 13-inch snow shovel, two 20-volt max lithium-ion batteries, and a dual charger. Let the batteries fully charge before first use. Assemble the shaft to the body of the blower. Attach and adjust the assist handle to the shaft at the most comfortable position. Tighten the lock knob to secure. Insert both batteries into the snowblower. Push and hold the lock-off safety switch, and then squeeze the on-off trigger. Once the machine powers on, release the lock-off safety switch. To stop, release the trigger. When using the snowblower, hold the tool firmly. The direction of the snow discharge can be changed by rotating the directional vanes adjustment knob. When possible, discharge snow in the same direction as the wind to prevent snow from being thrown back into the operator's face. No need to lift the snow, just push the snowblower against the paved ground. This snow shovel will throw light snow up to 26 feet. When finished, allow the tool to run for several minutes, clearing all the snow from the auger. Always store blower away from rain or wet locations.